Hello, I'm Sri Lakshmi. Many organizations today recognize coaching as part of their culture. In this initiative, many senior executives are getting coached. We are here today to discuss various aspects around coaching. We have Hari, who is a certified senior executive coach. He also works with Marshall Goldsmith on stakeholder-centered coaching. Welcome, Hari. Hari, many executives have already reached success and they've reached their desired positions. In such scenario, why do you think coaching, executive coaching, is so important?
Yeah, it's a very valid question, Lakshmi. What I hear from you is you say that people are already successful, that's why they've gone up to the ladder to such positions, right? And in such scenario, why do they need coaching? Why do senior executives need coaching? Is that what you're asking?
Yes.
Yeah. So let's take a case. Right, I'll give you an example of one of my clients. This gentleman is really successful in terms of generating good revenues for the business, right? But then there is an issue. The issue is he's simply not able to generate second line leaders below him, right? So while there are strengths, there are also areas of improvement in every individual. Same applies to senior executives. I'll give another example, right? Now, here is a leader, right, who goes really well with top executives. Talking about the top management in the organization, so the sponsors and others. But then the next line managers find it very difficult to deal with her in terms of approaching her. Right. So while there are strengths in every individual, there are also areas of improvement. Right. This is one of the reasons why senior executives get coached. Right. And I'll give you another example. Take successful people. If you really look into them, you know, they have a very strong positive self-image about themselves. That's what makes them successful, right? Being successful, you know, they win any game of life, just like that. And they're so much obsessed to winning, right? But the flip side of it is, you know, sometimes they win at any cost. Right? Don't you see that happening in many of the organizations? So at times this causes disturbance in the leadership ecosystem. This is the reason why senior executives choose to be coached.
Can I ask you one more question? See, in this point of time, you know, I feel that personally, why do they put themselves or open to such situations where they'll engage a coach on such a training or coach?
Leaders are open to work on themselves in many scenarios. There are hardly few scenarios where leaders are not willing to work on themselves, right? So leaders are open to change, and they know what is working and what is not working to them. I mean, the first impact is on them also, right? So they're very much more than willing to work on themselves. Yes.